Hello, my dear students of BSc first semester. So, welcome to physics classes by Sarabdeep Kaur Sidhu. So, today's our topic is that is standing wave ratio. That is standing wave ratio. Symbolically, it is also represented as SWR, standing wave ratio. Clear? So, we know that what are standing waves? Standing waves formed when a wave incident and the same wave of same amplitude that is reflected back, and these both incident and reflected superimposed with each other like this. If this is a wave and one wave from these ends are fixed ends, and wave is incident on this and same wave of same amplitude is reflected back. Clear? Then this is called a standing wave or stationary wave. Standing wave or stationary wave. And suppose the wave which is incident, the wave which is incident, or you can say the amplitude of because amplitude is same. Suppose we are using different amplitudes symbolically. The amplitude of the incident wave that is A1, and of reflected wave that is B1. Clear? And on a standing system, on this standing system, the maximum amplitude on standing system, or we can say the maximum amplitude of a standing wave, maximum amplitude on standing system, that will be A1 plus B1. That will be A1 plus B1. Now the minimum, this is maximum. Now the minimum amplitude of the standing wave, you can say, or on the standing system. ठीक है जी, same. Of, you can also say standing wave. ठीक है जी, of standing wave, that is equal to minimum, that is A1 minus that B1, or B1 minus A1. You can take anything. Clear ji? This is minimum and this is maximum. Now what is standing wave ratio? The standing wave ratio is the ratio of maximum amplitude to minimum amplitude on the standing system, of the standing wave. So it is how we can define it. Please note down on your notebooks that standing wave ratio is the ratio of the maximum amplitude of the standing wave to the minimum amplitude of the standing wave, or on the standing system, or of the standing system. So this will be equal to A1 plus B1, that is the maximum amplitude, over minimum, that is A1 minus B1. So now we know that if amplitude of reflected wave is B1 and amplitude of incident wave is A1, then reflection coefficient for amplitude we have written on the you can say article reflection coefficient for amplitude, and we write the symbol R. Okay? So R is equal to B1 over A1. So reflection coefficient for amplitude, that is equal to ratio of the amplitude of the reflected wave to the amplitude of the incident wave. So that is B1 over A1. Okay ji? Now in this I will take A1 common. This will be A1 I am taking common. So this is 1 plus B1 over A1 over A1, 1 minus B1 over A1. ठीक है जी? But R is equal to this but R is equal to this. R is equal to this, so put here R. So this will be equal to A1 1 plus R over A1 1 minus R. This goes, A1 goes. So standing wave ratio I am writing here, that is equal to 1 plus R over 1 minus R. What is R? R is the reflection coefficient for amplitude. Reflection coefficient for amplitude. Now, cases arises. First case, first case, if there is the wave is fully 100% reflected. If a wave is 100% reflected. If wave is 100% reflected, then R will be equal to 1. R will be for 100% reflection. For 100% reflection or wave is reflected 100%, then R is equal to 1. If R is equal to 1, put R is equal to 1 in this equation, that is A. So from A, standing wave ratio, that will be equal to 1 plus 1 over 1 minus 1. That is equal to 0. No, not 0. That is equal to 2 by 0. 2 by 0 means that is equal to infinity. So for 100% reflection, the standing wave ratio is infinity. Okay? Standing wave ratio is infinity. Now second case. Case second. Now for when there is no reflection. There is no reflection means R is equal to 0. Wave is only transmitted. No, there is no reflection. Reflection. Wave is 100. Wave is transmitted. Okay? No reflection. That is incident then transmitted to another medium. Clear? Then what will happen from equation number A? A implies standing wave ratio, that is equal to 1 plus 0 over 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. So standing wave ratio in that case, that is equal to 1. It means in this case no standing wave formed because there is no reflection. Standing wave always formed when there is a incident and reflection. Wave is incident and reflected back. Okay? Then these two waves superimpose. But here there is no reflection, so no standing wave ratio. And when there is 100%, then standing wave ratio is infinite. So this is all about standing wave ratio. This is very important. Sometimes asked in short answer type questions. Thank you very much.